Now let's understand about the lambda function in a Python. So till now we have seen like how actually we can create a function in a Python, how actually we can pass a argument into the particular function, and how actually we can get the output. So now let's understand about what is a lambda function in a Python, and it is an important interview question also. A lambda function in a Python is a small anonymous function that can have a multiple argument but only a single expression. It is often used for a short and simple operation. So suppose you have a requirement where you have to create a function which is very short and a simple operation. Now let's take one example. Suppose I have to write a function that will take a two variable and it will do a sum. So it is a simple operation, right? I have to take a two variable and I have to do a sum. So in a function, how actually I will write a code. I'll create a def. I will give the name as a summation, and after that I will take a two output a b, and what I will do, I'll create one variable that will do a sum. So suppose final equal to the a plus b, and I will return final. That will be the sum. Now how actually I will call this with one variable, right? So I will call like this summation, and I will pass the variable which I want to do. Suppose 5 and 7 I want to do a sum, so I will pass that, and if I'll execute, I'll get the output. So this is a simple operation, right? So what lambda has, if you have a simple expression, now instead of writing this line of code, what actually you can do, you can use a one anonymous function, that is a lambda function. How actually I can get the same output here with the help of lambda? So first you have to declare one variable. Suppose x is the variable. What I will do, I will write a lambda. I want a two input, right? Like this a and b, right? So what I will write, a comma b. This is the input I want, and what expression I want to do, I want to do a sum, so I will write a plus b. That's it. So instead of writing like this line of code, what actually I can do, I can achieve the same result with the help of this code. So what actually I am writing, first I am writing the lambda. After that, what is the input we want? We want a two input, right? So I am taking a b, this is the two input, and what is the expression I want to do? I want to do a sum, so I am writing a plus b. Now how actually we can call, if I write x 5 and 10, and if I'll execute, I'll get the same output. If I write 5 and the 7 like previously, and if I'll execute, I'll get the same output. So if you have a single expression, instead of writing a multiple line of code, what actually you can do, in a single line itself you will get the result. Now let's take another example. Suppose I have a three function. Now what I have to do, I have to do a multiplication of all the three variables. So how actually I will do, I'll create one function in a normal function, multiply something. I want to multiply the three variables. I will write a, b, and the c. And what I will do, I'll create a function like mul equal to the a into b into c. Now what I will do, I will return mul, and how actually I will call. For calling, I have to call with the function name, right? I have to call with the function name, so I will write multiply, and I will pass 1, 2 into 3 into 4. And if I'll execute, I'll get the output. So instead of writing, this is the simple expression, right? So instead of writing this line of code, what actually I can get? First, I have to declare a variable lambda. Three input we want, right? So I will write a comma b comma c colon. What expression we want to do? A into b into c. This we want to do. Now that's it. In one line itself, we are getting output. So suppose you have to multiply 3 into 2 into 3 into 4, 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now if I'll execute, you can see I'm getting the same output. So lambda is a one kind of the anonymous function, means you do not have to create a new function. You can use the lambda itself. Lambda is a one of the anonymous function. Whenever you have a simple and the short operation which you want to perform, then instead of creating a new function, what actually you can use? So already lambda is a one of the anonymous function that actually you can use. How actually we can create that? First we have to write a lambda, and after that whatever the input you want, that you have to write, and what is the operation you want to do, that you have to write, then you will get the output. So yeah, that's it in this video. I hope you got the idea. Please do practice.